Hello students, in this video we will discuss about quadratic equations. The standard form of quadratic equations is ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0. For example, 2x square plus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Example 1 of your NCERT textbook. Represent the following situations mathematically. The question is, we have to represent in mathematical way, that is using variables. We have to express the situation. John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. John has some marbles. Jivanti has some marbles. If we add, we get 45. This is given. Both of them lost 5 marbles. That is marble John has. Jivanti minus 5 John, then now the marbles left. Marbles of Jivanti minus 5. Now the marbles left with Jivanti. Product of number of marbles they now have is 124. Now if we multiply, this will give 124. Now how to write? Let number of marbles John has x. Therefore, number of marbles Jivanti has equal to 45 minus x. If we add the marbles of John has and Jivanti has, x plus 45 minus x, so we will get 45. Again, according to question, both lost 5 marbles. After losing 5 marbles, John will have x minus 5 and Jivanti will have 45 minus x minus 5, and their product equal to 124. This is given. After this, x minus 5, then 40 minus x equal to 124. After multiplying x into 40, 40x, x into minus x square minus 5 into 40 minus 200 minus 5 into minus x, 5x equal to 124. Then after solving, we will have x square minus 45x plus 324 equal to 0. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here in place of a there is 1 into x square. In place of b here is minus 45, that is minus 45 into x. In place of c 324. So this is our required representation. This is mathematical representation of the situation given. Example 2. Check whether the following are quadratic equations. The first question is x minus 2 whole square plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3. This is not directly given. This is in quadratic form, standard form or not. So we'll try to convert it if possible in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The given equation is in this form or not. So the given equation is x minus 2 whole square plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So x square minus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square plus 1 equal to 2x minus 3. Then after solving, we'll get x square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. Now this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. In place of a, here is 1. In place of b, minus 6. In place of c, 8. Hence, given equation is a quadratic equation. Now come to exercise 4.1. First question is, check whether the following are quadratic equations. First question is x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 times of x minus 3. Come to its solution. We expand x plus 1 whole square. This will be x square plus 2x plus 1. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. For right hand side, this will be 2 into x, 2x, and 2 into minus 3, that is minus 6. After solving this, x square, both the side we have 2x, so this will be cancelled. Now 1 is in left side and minus 6 will come this side, left side. So 1 plus 6, that is x square plus 7. Now, is this in form of x square plus bx plus c? Yes, because the standard form is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. B and C can be 0, but the variable which are power of 2, the coefficient cannot be 0. So x square plus 7, this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Hence, the given equation is a quadratic equation. Second, x square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 into 3 minus x. LHS x square minus 2x. If we multiply, now our RHS will be minus 6 plus 2x. Then x square minus 4x. That is minus 2x in LHS, and in RHS we have 2x. So minus 2x minus 2x. If we take the 2x of RHS to LHS, then we will have minus 4x in left hand side. And when we take minus 6 to left hand side, then this will be plus 6 in left hand side. So we have now x square minus 4x plus 6 equal to 0. It is of the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4, and c equal to 6. Hence, the given equation is a quadratic equation. Third, x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. This is given. After multiplying left hand side, x into x square, then 2 into x minus 2x, and x into 1, that is plus x. So this will be, after subtracting, minus x. So x square minus x two into 1, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. So in left hand side, x square minus x minus 2. For RHS, x into x square this is in the form of x plus a into x plus b. So if we directly use this formula, we will have x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. So x square, in place of a here minus 1, in place of b 3. So a plus b is minus 1 plus 3. This is 2. So 2x. Then minus 1 into 3, that is minus 3. Understood? Now we have x square both the side, so this will be cancelled. Now minus x in left hand side, 2x in right hand side. If we take this minus x to right hand side, then 2x plus x, this will be 3x, and minus 2 to right hand side, then minus 3 plus 2, that is minus 1. So in our left hand side it will be 0, and in right hand side 3x minus 1. We can write this 3x minus 1 equal to 0 also. Now is this in form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0? Correct. This is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, because the coefficient of x square a cannot be 0. Hence the given equation is not a quadratic equation. Solution of the second question. Go to second question. Represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equations. The area of a rectangular plot is 528 square meter. The plot is rectangular. The length of the plot in meters is 1 more than twice its breadth. Length is 1 meter more than twice of its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. Here what we have to do, represent the following situations in form of quadratic equation. This is given. We have to form the quadratic equation for this situation. Breadth, length is 1 meter more than 2 times of the breadth, and 528 square meter. This is the area. You know the area of rectangular shape, length into breadth. So this is length and breadth is b. This will be equal to 528. Let the breadth of the plot be x meter. Hence the length of the plot according to the question is 2x plus 1 meter, that is 1 meter more than 2 times of its breadth. Now area of rectangle, length into breadth, and area is given 528. So length into breadth or breadth into length, x into 2 times of x plus 1. After multiplying, we'll have 2x square plus x in right hand side. Then this is equal to 528. So we will have 2x square plus x minus 20 to minus 528 equal to 0. Is this in form of quadratic equation? Yes. In place of A, there is 2. In place of B, there is 1. In place of C, minus 528. So this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. So this is our required representation in form of quadratic equation. Hope all of you understood. So in this video we discussed about quadratic equation, and for the situations how to form quadratic equation. If equation is given, this is quadratic or not. Okay, so thank you for today.